A very good morning, children. Sairam. So, are you all ready for today's maths class? Yes? Okay. So, in the previous class, what we have learned? So, we have learned how to convert meters into centimeters and centimeters into meters. Right? So, we have measured the length in centimeters and meters. Suppose the length is very long, then how will we measure? How do we measure using the unit meters? Suppose if you are finding the length of any river, okay, then how will we measure using the meters? So we cannot, right? So there will be an unit. There is an unit to measure such a long things, and that is called kilometer. Okay, that is called kilometer. Okay, so measuring length in kilometers. Longer lengths like the distance between two cities, the length of a river, height of a tall buildings or and mountains, etc., cannot be measured in meters. So, if we are going to find out the distance between this Chennai and Trichy, then we can find out the distance in meters. No, isn't it? It is impossible. So, we are using one unit to measure such a long distance, such a long length. Okay, and that is called kilometer. Okay, so we cannot measure such a long distances in meters. Okay, so we use one new unit called kilometer. Okay, so we use a bigger unit of measurement called kilometer to measure such lengths. Okay, conversion of kilometers into meters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and kilometer can be represented as km. Okay, kilometer can be represented as km. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, so to convert a length given in kilometer into meters, we multiply by 1000, because kilometer is the bigger unit and meter is the smaller unit. Okay, kilometer is bigger unit and meter is smaller unit. So, to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay, and at the same time, if we convert meter into kilometer, then what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. Okay, so to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide. Okay, so for example, 2 kilometer is equal to, so we have to convert this kilometer into meter. We all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer is equal to 2 into 1000 meter. Okay, which is equal to 2000 meter. Okay, and 12 kilometer is equal to 12 into 1000 meter is equal to 12,000 meter. That is, we are multiplying the given number by 1000. Okay, so the next one, conversion of meters into kilometers. So we can convert meters into kilometers by dividing by 1000. Okay, so for example, 7000 meter So we have to convert this meter into kilometer. So what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. Okay. So 7000 divided by 1000 kilometer is equal to 7 kilometer. That is cancelling common number of zeros. 3, 3. So remaining is 7. So 7 kilometer. Okay. So to convert meter into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. Okay. And the second example is 10,000 meter. So we are going to convert this meter into kilometer. So we have to divide this 10,000 meter by 1000. Okay, so 10,000 divided by 1000 kilometer is equal to cancelling common number of zeros. 2, 2, 3, 3. So the remaining is 10. So 10 kilometers. Is it clear, children? Have you all understood? Yes. So we will do exercise problems. Okay. Exercise 8.2. So first question. Which unit, centimeter, meter or kilometer, will you use to measure the following lengths or distances? So which unit can we use to measure the following distances? Okay. Centimeter, meter or kilometer. Okay. So based on the length, we can give the unit. Okay, if it is small length, then we can give centimeter. Okay, if it is little big, then we can give meters. Okay, if it is too lengthy, then we can give kilometers. Okay, children. So first question, length of a bus. Length of a bus. So can we find the length of a bus in centimeters using your ruler? No, it is impossible, right? So we have to use the tape, right? Meter tape. So we can measure the length of a bus in meter. Okay, in meter. Okay. And the second one, length of your max book. Length of your book. So which unit can be given for this length of your max book? So we can measure the length of the max book using our ruler itself, right? So we can give centimeter, right? Centimeter. Okay. And the third one, length of an eraser. Length of an eraser. So eraser is this size only, right? So we can give centimeter, right? So we can measure the length of an eraser using centimeter. Okay. And the next one, distance between India and Europe. So distance between two countries. So can we find the distance in centimeters or meters? No, it is impossible, right? So we can give kilometer for this. Okay, kilometers. That's the distance between two countries. Okay. The next one, height of a tree. Height of a tree. So shall we measure the height of a tree in centimeters? No. So we can give meter, right? Using meter tape we can find the length of, height of a tree, right? Okay. The next one, length of river Ganga. Length of river Ganga. So shall we measure the length of any river using centimeters and meters? No, right? So we can use kilometer, right? kilometer. And the last one, length of a stapler. Length of a stapler. So we can measure the length of a stapler in centimeters, right? So we can give centimeter. Okay. And the next one, second problem. Convert into meters. Convert into meters. So first problem, 7 kilometer. 7 kilometer. And we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Right? And they have given 7 kilometers. So 7 kilometer is equal to 7 into 1000 meters. Which is equal to 7,000 kilometer. Meter. So this is equal to 7,000 meter. Okay, it is meter only. Okay, so we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and they have given 7 kilometer. So 7 kilometer is equal to 7 into 1000 meter, which is equal to 7,000 meter. Okay, so the answer is 7,000 meter. Okay. The next problem, 9 kilometer. So similarly, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So they have asked for 9 kilometer. So 9 kilometer is equal to 9 into 1000 meter, which is equal to 9,000 meter. So we are converting the bigger unit into smaller unit. So we have to multiply. Okay, multiply by 1000. Okay. The next one, 5 kilometer 725 meter. So we have to convert this into meters. Okay. So we have to convert this into meters. Okay. So first thing what we have to do, we have to convert this 5 kilometers into meters. Okay, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 5 kilometer is equal to 5 into 1000 meter, which is equal to 5000 meter. So 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. So we have converted this kilometer into meter. Okay. And in the next step, we have to add this 5000 meter with the 725 meter. Okay. So 5 kilometer 725 meter is equal to 5000 meter plus 725 meter, which is equal to 5725 meter. Okay. So in the first step, you have to convert this kilometer into meters, and then you have to add these two meters. Okay. Then you will get the answer. Okay, children. The next problem, 18 kilometer and 210 meter. So we have to convert this into meters. So in the first step, what we have to do? So we have to convert this kilometers into meters. For that, what we have to do? We have to multiply this 18 by 1000. 18 by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so 18 kilometer is equal to 18 into 1000 meter, which is equal to 18,000 meter. 18 into 1000 meter is equal to 1,08,000 meter. Okay, 1,08,000 meter. 18,000, sorry, 18,000 meter. Okay, and now we have to add this 18,000 meter with this 210 meters. Okay, in the second step we have to add this 18,000 meter with this 210 meter. Okay, so 18 kilometer 210 meter is equal to 18,000 meter plus 210 meter, which is equal to 18,210 meter. Okay, so you have to, in the first step you have to convert that kilometer into meter, and then you have to add that meter with this 200 meter. Okay, next problem, 40 kilometer and 150 meter. 40 kilometer and 150 meter. So we have to convert this into meters. So in the first step what we have to do? We have to convert that 40 kilometers into meters. For that what we have to do? We have to multiply by 1000. So 40 into 1000 meter is equal to 40,000 meter. And then we have to add this 40,000 meter with this 150 meter. So 40 kilometer and 150 meter is equal to 40,000 meter plus this 150 meter is equal to 40,150 meter. Okay. The next one, third problem. Convert into kilometers and meters. Okay, convert into kilometers and meters. So to convert meter into kilometer, what we have to do? So we have to divide by 1000, right? So look at the first problem, 3000 meter. So we have to convert this into kilometer and meter. So to convert this meter into kilometer, what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. So 300 meter is equal to, 3000 meter is equal to 3000 divided by 1000 kilometer, which is equal to 3 kilometers. Okay. And the next problem, 2300 meter. 2300 meter. So we are going to convert this meter into kilometers and meters. So we can split this 2300 into two parts. That is 2300 meter is equal to 2000 meter plus 300 meter. Okay, and we all know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 2000 meter can be written as 2 kilometer. Okay, so first thing you have to split this 2300 into 2000 meter plus 300 meter. Okay, and we have to use that conversion. Okay, so we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. Okay, so 2 kilometer plus this 300 meter, and this can be written as 2 kilometer 300 meter. So we have converted this into kilometers and meters. Okay. And the next problem, 5670 meter. 5670 meter. So we are going to convert this meter into kilometers and meters. So first thing we have to split this 5670 meter into 5000 meter plus 670 meter. Okay, and we all know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 5000 meter is equal to 5 kilometer. Okay, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 5000 meter is equal to 5 kilometer plus this 670 meter, and this can be written as 5 kilometer 670 meter. Okay, and the next problem, 9210 meter. 9210 meter. So we are going to convert this meter into kilometer and meter. So first thing what we have to do, we have to split this 9210 into 9000 meter plus 210 meter. Okay, and we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 9000 meter is equal to 9 kilometer. Okay, plus this 210 meter, and this can be written as 9 kilometer 210 meter. Okay, so we have converted that meter into kilometers and meters. Have you all understood, children? It is very easy. Okay, so first thing you have to split that into two parts and you have to use this conversion. Okay, the next one, 6660 meter. Okay, 6660 meter. So first thing what we have to do, we have to split this into two parts. Okay, so 6600 meter is equal to 6000 meter plus 660 meter. Okay, and we all know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 6000 meter is equal to 6 kilometer plus this 660 meter. Okay, and this can be written as 6 kilometer and 660 meter. Okay, and the next problem, 4297 meter. So we have to convert this meter into kilometer and meter. So for that what we have to do, so we have to split this 4297 meter into two parts. How? 4000 plus 297 meter. Okay, 4000 meter plus 297 meter, and we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 4000 meter is equal to 4 kilometer. Okay, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, then 4000 meter is equal to 4 kilometer plus this 297 meter, which is equal to 4 kilometer 297 meter. So we have converted this meter into kilometers and meters. That is the answer. Have you all understood, children, what I have taught today? Is it clear for you? Yes, only thing you have to remember that conversions. Okay, then only you can answer. Okay, children, so practice all the problems on your own. Okay, try to convert all the problems. Okay, so study well. I will meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you.